To order a complete battery replacement kit, please visit our website at newpower99.com. Newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff. Before starting, check to make sure that your microSD card has been removed. Begin by using the special tool provided in your kit from newpower99.com to open your Amazon Fire tablet. Disconnect and remove the original battery as shown. Carefully connect and seat your new extended life battery from newpower99.com. Replace the back cover and snap into place as shown. Turn on your Amazon Fire tablet with its newly installed battery from newpower99.com. Your Amazon Fire should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the unit for at least 2 hours before continuing to use. Newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.